it's Emily. I want to show you an appetizer that you can make for your Halloween party this year, or serve it to your kids right before they walk out the door trick-or-treating, so they can have something nice and warm in their bellies before they stuff themselves with candy. So what we're using is meatballs. And these are just frozen meatballs, but they're fully cooked. I bought Italian style because we're going to wrap the meatballs in crescent rolls. And these are just refrigerated crescent rolls. So it's going to kind of be like a garlic bread with a meatball, and we're going to dip these in marinara sauce. And they'll look like cute little mummies for Halloween. So I'm just going to line my cookie sheet with parchment paper, half a bag of meatballs, and I want these to thaw out just a little bit before I wrap them. So just while I'm getting everything ready, I've got my cutting board ready to go, and now I have the crescent roll tube. And honestly, the hardest part about making these mummy meatballs is opening the crescent rolls. I hate it. If anybody else was home right now, I would make them do it. I don't know when it's gonna pop. It's scary. I hate opening these. But here we go. Let's see if we can get it to work. Let's find the end. Okay, here it is. Peel. Here we go. I hate it. It's like the Jack in the Box. You don't know what's gonna pop. I think after all the years they could make it better. And then look, it all peeled. Ah! Okay. Happy Halloween. Okay, I'm going to take my crescent rolls and unroll it. This is such an easy appetizer, and it's so cute. Okay, there's the crescent rolls. Now, see how it's perforated so you can break them apart easily? Well, we don't want that. So we're actually going to smash it together. Smash it, smash it. Okay, just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just so you get kind of a rectangle. You can thin it out just a little bit. Okay, now this is a great tool. This is a pizza cutter, and it works really well for this. So just grab any pizza cutter. I tried this with a knife and it was kind of a struggle. So this I found works really well. And you want to cut strips, and they should be about 1/4 of an inch. And again, doesn't have to be perfect. And if you want to count your meatballs and get that many strips, that's fine. This is such a fun thing to make, and it's really easy. You can get the kids involved. They can help you wrap these. They're really easy and fun to wrap, and they do not have to look great. The thing is they all bake up cute, no matter how you wrap them. So the kids would love to help you with this, and then they'll want to eat them. Okay, this will be our last strip. And again, if you need a certain amount, you can count it out. So that's all the prep that you need for the crescent rolls. You'll just grab a meatball and grab a strip and just start wrapping. And it does not have to look perfect. What you do want to do is leave a little space for the eyeballs. And it doesn't matter where. You can practically make it anywhere on the meatball. You don't have to really even try to leave a space. There will be a space somewhere on it. So you're just wrapping. See how much fun this is? The kids will love to do this. And you don't want them touching. You want to give it a little space. You decide where you want the eyes, and then put it down on the cookie sheet. I've also used the little smokies. If you want to do the meatballs and little smokies, and then you could dip those in like a barbecue sauce or a mustard, and dip these in marinara, and then you'd have a little bit of a variety. And same thing, you would just cut these a little bit thinner, probably, and maybe even half. Because the little smokies, you know, it wouldn't take as much to wrap as this meatball. So that would be fun to make those as well. I've melted about 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave, and to that I'm going to add some onion salt, and then of course some garlic salt, because garlic salt is so good with meatballs, marinara, and bread, right? And butter's good with everything. So I've seasoned up this butter pretty good. I'm going to stir it with my pastry brush. I'll give each meatball a little brush of garlic and onion butter. So I cut up the olives and I've put them on a few of our mummies. Look how cute. Here's Mr. Big Eyes. Here's another one. I love these. They each have their own little personality, how they turned out. I think those will be good putting the olives on before we bake these, because you bake pizza with olives on it, so I think they'll taste good cooked. The mustard and the marinara we will put on after these bake. So exactly 13 minutes at 375 degrees, and they look perfect. Aren't those cute? So let's go ahead and get our eyeballs on these guys. I'm going to use mustard on some of these. Just going to squirt it right on. Whatever you like to eat with your meatballs, you could do. Ranch, sour cream, look how cute. So cute. Okay, now let's try some marinara sauce. I'm going to dip this in the marinara and then just give our little guy some eyeballs. There. Well, I'd say these mummy meatballs turned out cute as can be. Look at these little guys all lined up, ready to be eaten. And like I said, you could do another tray with the little smokies wrapped in the crescent rolls and give them some mustard eyeballs. Okay, here's our party guests that we've invited for our Halloween get-together. Daisy, Coco, do you want to try some of the mummy meatballs? Okay, come here, puppy. Come here, Daisy. Here you go. Tell me if you like it. Daisy likes it. Coco, do you like the mummy meatball? Thanks for dressing up in costume, puppies. Daisy, did you like it? Oh, she wants more. Coco looks like she's trying it. Daisy, did you like the mummy meatball? Do you recommend watching this video? I was going to end my video with a vampire joke, but it was too much of a pain in the neck to find one. Happy Halloween, guys. Go make these mummy meatballs for your next Halloween get-together or your family. They'll love it. Thanks for watching.